So, Sukadeva Goswami was in renowned sort of life from the very beginning of his life. As soon as he came out of the womb of his mother, he immediately left home. He was within the womb of his mother for 16 years. So, he was in favor of renowned sort of life, Sukadeva Goswami. There was no question of his following the other ashramas. Generally, for ordinary man, there are 4 ashramas, 8 ashramas. For social upkeep, there are 4 ashramas, namely brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha, sannyas. This is for spiritual. And for social, brahman, kshatriya, vaishya, and shudra. This is social division. And there is spiritual division also. Because we are combination of matter and spirit. I am the soul. I am living within this material body. This is actual position. I am not this body. This is the beginning of spiritual education. That I am not this body. One who understands fully, well, that he is not this body, then the spiritual education begins. And so long we are in the bodily concept of life, there is no question of spiritual education. Spiritual education for whom? For the human being, also very advanced human, not ordinary human being, at least the civilized. Therefore, in the human society, in the civilized human society, there is acceptance of a religious principle. Maybe it is Hindu religion or Muslim religion or Christian religion or Buddha religion, but there is some religion. A civilized society is not without religion. Without religion means animal society. The animals, they have no religion. Cats and dogs, they have no church, no temple that they have to go. It is for the human being. Therefore, Shastra says that dharmena hina pasubhi samana. If in the human society there is no culture of religion, then it is animal society. There is not human society. So the human society should be divided into 8 divisions. That is first class human society. Just like any organization, any establishment, there are division of labor. The board of directors there are, then the secretarial board, then ordinary clerks, then menials, then workers. There must be division. Otherwise it is chaotic. Nowhere you will find without division it is going on very smoothly. There must be division. Therefore Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Chaturvarnam maya sistam gunakarma vibhagasa. It is ordained by God that there should be 4 divisions for the materialistic condition of life and 4 divisions for spiritual upliftment. So, there must be the Brahmana, Chaturvarna maya system. Varna means 4 divisions of society. Varna means class. It has been taken now as caste. But actually class. Class is not caste. Caste, of course, throughout the whole world there is no such thing as caste. But anyway, in India there is caste. But Krishna says that Chaturvarna maya system, 4 divisions of classes, I have created. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Who is a Brahman? That is also described in the Bhagavad Gita. Sattva, Sama, Dhamma, Titikha, Arjava, Astikam, Jnanam, Vijnanam. So many qualifications required to become a Brahman. Not that because I am born in a Brahmana family. This is discussed in Srimad Bhagavatam, that to take birth in a Brahmana family is not all. He must be qualified. Samadhamatitikha. That is required. The Indian culture has failed at the present moment because instead of considering the qualification, they accept only the birth. The birth in a Brahman family makes a man a Brahmin. No, that is not the Shastric Indian qualification. There must be qualification. So, without such division, therefore there is no such thing as Hindu Dharma. No, there is no such word in the whole Vedic literature. You won't find in the Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavad as Hindu Dharma. There is one word as Bhagavad Dharma, but there is no such word as Hindu Dharma. This Hindu Dharma or Hindu, this is creation by our neighbor, Indian neighbor, the Middle East Mohammedans. They gave the name Indian people as Hindu. Hindu means there is one river, Sindhu. The Mohammedans, they pronounce Sa as Ho. So those who are on the river side of the Sindhu river, Hindu river, they are called Hindus. But actually, Vedic religion is neither for Hindus, nor for Christians, nor for